A ladybug. Tales from nature. I am red with 6 black spots. I have 2 small legs. I am a ladybug. Gardeners left me. I eat the tasty apples that they made their plates. Yum! They are delicious. I am hiding on a pretty red puppy. The bird hasn't spotted me. I am safe here. Which leaf should I hide my eggs under? Under this one, of course. It has lots of tasty apples. My eggs have watched it all laughing. I need to feed them so they grow big and strong. Once they are laughing, my laughter started to transform. Look, Mommy, they are still oranges. The metamorphoses are still oranges. My lava turned into beautiful red ladybugs. We all have white spots and 2 small legs. Watch us fly. The end.